New Medeo update is insane. Today I'm going to show you how to turn any text into a full video in minutes. This AI tool just changed everything. You paste a link and get a professional video with voiceovers and visuals. No editing needed, no software to learn. This is the easiest way to create videos I've ever seen. Medeo just became the easiest way to create videos. Period. I've been testing this for the past week, and it's honestly crazy how simple this is. Let me show you exactly what this tool does and why you need to know about it. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Here's what Medeo is. It's an AI-powered video studio. You give it text, or you give it a link, or you give it a script. It turns that into a complete video, professional voiceover included, dynamic visuals included, no editing skills needed, no software to download. Everything happens automatically. This is built specifically for people who need videos but don't want to deal with video creation, marketers, e-commerce store owners, content creators, anyone who needs video content fast. Medeo takes your articles, your product links, your copy, and generates videos in minutes. Let me break down how this actually works. You start with content. Could be a blog post you wrote, could be a product page from your store, could be a simple script. You paste that into Medeo. That's step one. Literally just paste text or drop in a link. The AI reads your content. It figures out what you're trying to say. It understands the key points. It understands the flow. Then it gets to work building your video. First, it generates the visuals, not stock footage, not random images, dynamic visuals that actually match what you're saying. The AI picks scenes that support your message. It creates movements that keep people watching. It builds out a complete visual story. Then it adds the voiceover, professional quality, natural sounding, not robotic. The AI reads your script with proper pacing, proper emphasis, proper pauses. It sounds like an actual person talking. And here's the key part. All of this happens automatically. You're not editing anything. You're not picking clips. You're not recording audio. You're not syncing anything. The AI handles every single piece. The output is a polished video ready to use, ready for social media, ready for ad campaigns, ready for product pages, ready for anywhere you need video content. Now, let me tell you why this matters. Video content gets more engagement than any other format. Everyone knows this, but most people can't create videos easily. Filming takes time, editing takes skill, voice recording takes equipment, it's too much friction. Medeo removes all that friction. You don't need to be on camera. You don't need editing software. You don't need a microphone. You just need your content. The AI does everything else. Let's talk about the actual use cases here. Say you run an e-commerce store. You have products. Each product needs a video showing features, explaining benefits, making people want to buy. Normally, you'd need to film each product, edit each video, record voiceovers. That's hours of work per product. With Medeo, you paste your product link. The AI pulls the information. It creates a video showing the product. It adds a voice over explaining everything. Done in minutes instead of hours. That's the difference. Or say you write blog posts. Video versions would get more views. But turning a blog post into a video sounds like a nightmare. You'd need to script it, film it, edit it, add graphics. It's too much work for one piece of content. Medeo changes this completely. You paste your blog post URL. The AI converts it into a video. It picks the key points. It creates visuals for each point. It adds a natural voiceover. Your blog post is now a video. No extra work from you. Marketing campaigns are where this really shines, though. You need ad videos. You need social media videos. You need videos that grab attention and explain your offer quickly. Creating these videos normally takes days, back and forth with editors, multiple revisions, testing different versions. With Medeo, you write your ad copy, you paste it in, you get multiple video versions in minutes, test them, see what works, iterate fast. This speed is what makes it powerful. Here's what I've noticed using this. The voiceovers are surprisingly good.
E-commerce breaks down barriers, connecting your products with customers everywhere. From browsing to buying, create seamless shopping experiences that drive sales.
The visuals match the content really well too. The AI isn't just throwing random images at you. It's creating scenes that support your message. When you talk about a problem, the visuals show that problem. When you talk about a solution, the visuals show that solution. This is what makes the videos actually work. And here's something most people don't realize at first, but it's huge. Medeo isn't just creating individual videos. It maintains visual consistency across all of them. That means the same characters, the same objects, the same style, scene after scene, video after video. If your video introduces a character, that character looks the same throughout the entire video. Same face, same style, same visual identity. If you're explaining a product or concept, the visuals stay consistent. As the story progresses, you're not getting random changes, you're getting a unified visual narrative. This matters because consistency builds trust. It makes the video feel intentional, professional, and branded. And this scales, you can create blog videos, ad videos, product videos, all with the same look and feel without manually recreating anything. That's something most AI video tools completely fail at. They generate scenes, but not coherence. Medeo gives you both. Let me walk you through the actual workflow. You open Medeo, you see a simple interface, no complicated menus, no confusing options, just a place to paste your content. You paste your text or link, the AI starts processing. You can see it working, reading your content, planning the video, building the scenes. You pick some basic settings if you want. Video length, voice style, visual theme. But you don't have to, the defaults work great. The AI makes smart choices automatically. Then you hit generate, the AI builds your video. This takes a few minutes, not hours, not days, minutes. You can watch the progress, see the video coming together in real time. When it's done, you get a complete video. You can preview it, make sure it's what you want. If you need changes, you can adjust the settings and regenerate. But most of the time, the first version is good enough to use. You download the video, it's ready to upload anywhere: YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, your website, ad platforms, anywhere you need video content. Now, here's what makes this different from other AI video tools I've tested. Most AI video tools give you clips, or they give you templates you fill in, or they require you to do a bunch of manual work. Medeo is truly automatic. Content goes in, finished video comes out. The quality is what shocked me most. These aren't obviously AI-generated videos. The voiceovers sound natural, the visuals flow well, the pacing keeps you engaged. If you didn't know it was AI, you wouldn't guess. This matters because quality affects results. A bad video hurts your brand. A good video helps your brand. Medeo produces videos that actually help. Let me talk about speed for a second. In the time it takes to brief a video editor on what you want, you could have 3 finished videos from Medeo. In the time it takes to film and edit one video yourself, you could have 10 finished videos from Medeo. This speed compounds. More videos means more content. More content means more opportunities to connect with your audience. More opportunities means more growth. The tool removes the bottleneck, and here's something most people miss. Video content isn't just for big campaigns anymore. Every piece of content you create should have a video version: blog posts, product pages, social media posts, email content. All of it performs better with video. But creating videos for everything was impossible before. Too much time, too much cost, too much complexity. Medeo makes it possible. You can actually have video versions of all your content now. Think about your content library. How many blog posts do you have? How many product pages? How many pieces of content sitting there with no video version? Each one could be a video. Each one could be reaching more people. Medeo lets you turn that library into video content. The voiceover quality deserves more attention. I've used text-to-speech tools for years. They always sounded robotic. You could tell immediately it made content feel cheap. Medeo's voices are different. Natural pauses, natural emphasis, natural tone. They sound like someone actually recorded them. This changes what you can use the videos for. Robotic voices are fine for quick social media clips, but you can't use them for serious marketing. You can't use them for professional presentations. You can't use them anywhere quality matters. Medeo's voices work everywhere: ad campaigns, sales pages, course content, professional presentations. The quality is there. This expands what the tool can do for you. This is one of those tools that changes how content gets made. If you're creating blogs, ads, or product pages, you should be turning all of that into video. Medeo makes it effortless. The link is in the description. Try it now.